Hello and welcome to my video. This is the introduction to the restoration of a Ford Capri 2.8 injection special. I've had the vehicle since 1994, ran it until probably 1996 and then garaged it thereafter. It's moved house with us but never under its own steam since then. It's about time that we returned it to its former glory, I think, so I decided just to video blog what happens. So this is really what I've got to contend with to start off with. So it's in my garage next to Mini GP, which currently doesn't move under its own steam, and here's my son's vehicle that we're storing for him, and basically I've got to get that shifted before I can get the Capri out of the garage. Now I think I've got quite a few parts for it, so we'll see how we go there, but as you see there's quite a lot of work to do. It's been used as a storage shelf, which is really great. It's got sawdust over here from when I've been doing a lot of sawing. It's even got a snail on the roof, patio door at the side of it, all sorts. Inside, the interior's pretty much like lost in time. I think we've got a period Pioneer stereo in there, the green dials from the Capri Club which were in vogue at that time, RS 4-spoke steering wheel. All the interior looks okay, probably do okay with a good spruce up. So it's all pretty original, apart from the odd decal that's incorrect. So over the next few weeks and months we'll be getting this out of the garage and getting it into some kind of state where we can drive it again. Hopefully get the bodywork all sorted. That's if I don't have to spend too much time on these guys. This is what we're currently driving around in. So we've got a Renault Zoe. There we go. And we've got a Tesla Model 3. So, not much to occupy your time with the electrical cars. They kind of do what they do. You don't have to tinker with them. So we'll get back to some normality and get the Capri back up and running. That's if the dogs allow me to.